Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra Denali HD. This thing is insane. Thank you so much to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire for allowing me to take this thing out. Yeah, that's high up there. That's pretty sweet. Alright, you sent me a list of everything. That's the wrong list. Alright, so this one's 2021, Denali 3500 HD dually. Built by Bayshore Automotive in Tampa. 7-inch ready lift kit. 22-inch Fuel Triton wheels. 37-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires. Ultimate pack, high idle switch, moonroof with the 6.6 V8. Sweet. Let's go for a drive. I was just hanging out with those guys. You know, they were doing a photo shoot in here and it was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is massive. Not bad at all. Given what this thing is, it's just a big, massive truck. Is there a bee in here? Oh, this thing is crazy. I mean, look at this. I am a huge distance away from that guy. And I cannot see the back bumper. Oh, this is crazy. But what an experience, man. Oh, let's see here. Handling. Yes. Actually, that's not half bad. No, a lot of times with these lift kits, it ruins the way the truck drives. But since this one was built by a reputable shop and not some dude with a Sawzall in his backyard, this actually drives well. It drives very, very similar to a stock truck. which is a huge compliment if you've ever driven a lifted truck that's been kind of hodgepodge together. You know how big of a compliment that is. This thing is cool. You're as high as these speed limit signs. That is nuts. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.